Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to withdraw XRP from Binance to KuCoin in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process simple and stress-free. By the end, you'll have your XRP transferred securely. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and KuCoin. If you don't, head over to their websites, sign up, and complete any necessary verification. It's crucial for security. Once you're logged into your Binance account, navigate to the Wallet section. This is where you'll manage your funds. Look for your XRP balance and click on Withdraw next to it. Now, you'll need the KuCoin wallet address for XRP. Hop over to your KuCoin account, go to the Assets page, and find your XRP wallet address. Copy that address carefully. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as sending to the wrong address could mean losing your funds forever. Back on Binance, paste this address into the withdrawal form. Don't forget to select the correct network. For XRP, it's usually the XRP Ledger network, so confirm that matches. Next, enter the amount of XRP you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, so check those details on Binance's site to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for extra security. After that, sit tight. Withdrawals can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into KuCoin and check your XRP balance to ensure the transfer was successful. If you run into any issues, both exchanges have support teams you can contact. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw XRP from Binance to KuCoin in 2025. Always prioritize security, like using hardware wallets for long-term storage. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.